Right downwind, runway 34, we're looking for the decathlon.
Also the south end of Honeymoon. Simulated engine out, 2,000 feet down to the south in Clearwater. 800 feet Clearwater.
Then climbing 2,500 westbound Clearwater. Downwind to 34 through departing the area to the west. Crossing midfield, Clearwater. Across the midfield and right downwind to 34. 1,000 will head a little more to the north to avoid your Clearwater traffic. 62,600 northbound Clearwater. 50 Gulf, North Duncan Causeway, 100 feet, ground reference, Sophie Island. Clearwater traffic. Subject 899 Alpha Victor, turning downwind 34, number 2. Beach 2,000, we're going to be heading northbound towards Antelope, Clearwater.
The DC 800 feet, S turns along the beach, southbound Clearwater.
5,000, descending 1,500 steep spirals over Enclosed Clearwater.
Sirius 49 Tango Bravo is about 15 to the north. Descend up for a 45 for the right downwind to 34 Clearwater. There is 2 miles west of 3 Rooker at 2,500 VFR maneuvers Clearwater.
Miles to the west of Honeymoon, 2,000, we're northbound towards Enclosed Clearwater. 2,000.
25.
About 5 miles off Enclosed, give or take.
Downwind 34 Clearwater.
A few times I've learned it's on and off. Fix it, different headset. Midfield at 1,000, and then for left downwind, turn at 16 Clearwater. 16 Clearwater. Turn 16 Clearwater. Good. Final 16 Clearwater. 16 Clearwater.
Half miles to the southeast, 900 feet, heading west-northwest, Hidden Lake.
For the pier southbound Clearwater. Gear up, and it took a while for our gear pump light and the red light for the gear finally came, or finally turned off, but usually it happens right away before we put props up. I just tried putting the lever down so that I can cycle it. I'll try to put it back up in a minute here.
Super Tango turning crosswind for 16 Clearwater. Turning downwind for 16 Clearwater.
The pier, maybe a mile or two north along the coast, 45 Tango. P206, 006 Tango.
Did you get?
The normal lights, we have the red light come on, the gear pump light come on. When we put it, try to put the gear up upon takeoff, we were told our gear still appeared to be down over midfield when we crossed over to come out to the west. Sometime between midfield and coming to the pier, the lights went off, but we noticed the circuit breakers also was popped. And it just popped again, so...
As far as the lights go, is your gear up or down?
Down, and we were told that it looked down when we went over midfield, but our lever is up. Gear pump light until the circuit breaker pops. Affirmative, we still have 3 green.
Air Park?
Clearwater Air Park.
And right now, I just heard y'all talking, and I was trying to maybe help y'all out there since nobody else is coming to you. Go to PIE, and because they do have crash fire rescue for the worst case scenario, and ask the tower to check your gear if you can, and I would land there personally. That's just my preference.
Just wanted to kind of test it real quick. We tried cycling it, and the circuit breaker pops again, so yeah, I think that's our probably best plan.
Have a visual ID of the gear being down and, talk to the tower over at PIE. But yeah, circuit breaker popped twice. I wouldn't touch it again.
Our plan, we'll head over that way. Thanks, Barb.
What's your tail number?
445 Tango, 445 Tango.
Go heading your way. I was trying to. Okay, I got you now along the coast there. Yeah, we're coming from the north.
Do you see our gear at all?
Yet, but we're working on it. Just to come and help out, just in case. We're heading your way.
Switch over shortly over here, probably to St. Pete, Clearwater frequency, and we'll start talking to them.